Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Webflow for brand landing pages, complete guide step by step clearly. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page where you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to Webflow, enter your email address and create a secure password. After you've filled in your details, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Webflow website and log into your new account. After logging in, you will be greeted with a dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the pricing section found on the left-hand menu. In the pricing section, you will see various subscription plans available. Review the different plans and their features to determine which one suits your needs. Once you have made a decision, click on the Select Plan button for your chosen subscription. If prompted, enter any necessary billing information, including your credit card details. Review your order summary to ensure all information is correct. When ready, click on the Purchase button to complete your subscription. After your purchase is confirmed, you will gain access to all features included in your plan. Now, you can start creating your brand landing pages using Webflow's tools. Familiarize yourself with the Webflow interface and explore the templates available for brand landing pages. Begin designing your landing page by selecting a template or starting from scratch. As you design, utilize Webflow's Designer tool for a flexible and responsive layout. Once satisfied with your design, you can publish your landing page through the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.